Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you how high-ticket affiliate marketing can help you to make $1,000 or more by simply promoting a product. Hey, my name is Epic Reels, and I'm going to show you how you can make money online and make $1,000 or more using 3 simple tips that you can use for how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. And you're going to want to watch this amazing training until the very end, because this training is very simple, very straightforward, and it's also very beginner friendly. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, then watch this training. Also, all of this information in this training is going to be posted in the description below. I have a free report for you guys to access. All right, let's go. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin with how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing. 3 simple steps, right, to making $1,000 per sale with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, before I go over the steps, I want to explain quickly what is high-ticket affiliate marketing. And the simplest way to explain high-ticket affiliate marketing is simply when you join or partner up with a company, right? You partner with a company and then you promote one of their company's products, right? And when you promote this product and if someone buys this product, you earn money, right? You earn what's called a commission, right? And usually this product that you are promoting can be a product that is very high quality and that costs a lot of money. This product can be like $1,000 if you look here or more, right? But not always, but usually it can be $1,000 or more. All right, so let's look here at the high ticket affiliate marketing process. So excuse me. So for example, let's just say you join an affiliate program with Microsoft, the company Microsoft, right? You join Microsoft's affiliate company, right? And then you want to promote their electronic products. Here, if you look here, you're promoting a laptop, right? So if you join a Microsoft's affiliate program and then you promote a laptop, if someone buys that laptop, you earn money, you earn a commission. This is the high ticket affiliate marketing process. Now, to be more specific, every company gives a certain amount of commission. They give you a certain amount of money, right, for promoting their products, right? Now, let's just say here in this example, Microsoft gives you 50% commission for every product that you sell, right? So for example, if we're going back here to the laptop, let's just say, for example, this laptop computer is $2,000, right? And Microsoft is going to give you 50% commission if someone buys this laptop from you, right? So if you promote this product, this laptop, and someone buys it from you, you can get a commission of $1,000, right? So this is great. I mean, you just promoted a laptop computer, someone bought it, and you made $1,000. That's a high ticket affiliate product, right? So now let's go here. Now let's go over to the 3 simple tips on how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So the first tip that you want to do, the first tip is you want to choose a high quality and high ticket product, right? And in order to do this, you can use Google, right? You simply search on Google for a high quality and a high ticket product. So for example, let me show you here. I'm going to go quickly to Google, right? So I'm going to go to Google, and then I'm going to just type out, I'm going to show you how to do this, right? How to find a high ticket product, a high quality product. You're just going to type out, so for example, you're going to type out high ticket affiliate marketing products, right? Let's just say that, right? And here it's going to give you, like, if you look at these websites, they're going to give you all kinds of products that you can promote, right? But everything depends on what niche you're in, right? This is how you search for products. So for example, here now, Authority Hacker, they have 23 high ticket programs in 2021, up to $1,000 per sale. This is really good, right? So, and right here, what they're going to do is they're going to give you software, right? This is usually software like Kinsta, Shopify. Not always, maybe some can be software. Fiverr is a service. So these are all companies that you can partner with and you can promote their high ticket affiliate programs, okay, or products. And when you promote their products, they give you money, they give you commission. And what's interesting about searching for these high quality, high ticket programs is they give you specifics. They'll even give you the link, right? You can click on the link here, like it says Kinsta affiliate program, and it tells you more about the their company, the program, and then it tells you about right here how much you can earn. Like you get 10% monthly recurring commissions, and then you just go through this process. You can eventually sign up. Usually at the bottom you can sign up. You just have to look for, here we go, affiliate center, affiliate program frequently asked questions. That's all you got to do, right? Now, let's just say, for example, you are in the dog niche, right? Let's just say you're in the dog niche. What you can do is you can just type out high ticket affiliate dog niche. You can type out this out, like dog niche, high ticket affiliate product, right? And here, look at this, September 5th, 2021, 29 best pet affiliate programs, right, of 2021. So you just go here, and once again, you just scroll down and look at the name of the companies and the programs that you can partner up with. These are all animal products, right? So if you're in the dog niche, you can look here and just scroll down here, and right here we go. Petco is telling you, it's going to tell you how much you can get, right, up to 4%. 7 days. Some programs are better than others. Some offer more than others. Some offer recurring commissions, which means that you get paid monthly. But all you got to do is just do a little bit of research, and that's it. Another example, let's just say, for example, you are in the weight loss niche, right? Weight loss niche. So same thing, just type out weight loss, right? High ticket affiliate product, and there you go. And it's going to give you a bunch of products that that you can promote. Like, look here. Look at here. 12 best weight loss affiliate programs in 2021, June 7, 2021. So just click here, and once again, scroll down here. Just scroll down here, and it's going to talk a little about the weight loss programs that you can join, like Weight Watchers, Eat, Sleep, and Burn, South Beach Diet. And then just go through these programs. Just look down here, and it's going to tell you how much you can make commission and so forth. So this is all you really got to do in order to find a high quality and high ticket product. Just simply search on Google. So that's tip number one. Okay, that's tip number one. Okay, if you like this so far, if you like this information, make sure you share this with a friend, family member. Share this on Facebook and on other social media. Also subscribe, like, and leave a comment. All right, let's continue. So you've already learned tip number one, which is choose a high quality product, right? So now we're going to go to tip number two. Tip number two for how to do high ticket affiliate marketing is you want to build an audience, right? So after you choose your high quality product, right? Now you want to build an audience. And I'm going to show you how you can do this. Building an audience is very important because in the beginning, when you want to promote a product, no one knows you, right? They don't know why they should buy from you. So you need to tell people a little bit about yourself, give them some value, and let them trust you. So tip number two is build an audience using social media. So you want to build an audience using social media. So you can use like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, even use Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, whatever it is, but use social media. And what you can do is you can build an audience using social media by simply doing this. You can create like a YouTube channel. You can create a Facebook group. You can create content on TikTok. You can create a blog and link it to your social media. And I'm going to give you some examples. So for example, like I created here, I'm going to show you. I created here. I'm in my Facebook. I'm in my Facebook group, and I created a Facebook group, and I have over 6,000 members. And all I do is I provide content to them. That's all I do. I provide content to them, and this way people get to know, like, and trust me, right? And I'm going to show you how you can create some content, right? I like to use a lot of visuals because people like pictures. We are visual creatures, so keep that in mind. When you provide content, you just want to create a bunch of words. You also want to add some pictures to your content because it makes them more engaging. Keep that in mind, right? So I have this Facebook group, and here people get to know me, like me, and trust me, and then I can promote a high ticket affiliate product, right? And here's another example. I have here, let me see. Here I have a blog. I have a weight loss blog. It's more lose belly fat. And I promote articles about how to lose belly fat. And when people click here, they can read my information and they can learn from me. They can get to know, like, and trust me. And then if I promote a product like this one, I got 6 shares of people. If I promote a product, people can buy my product, right? I have good information. So good information in here. So you want to create some kind of value. And so going back here, so you can create a, you can build an audience using social media. And in order to create content, you can use something like this, like Canva. I use Canva, right? I use Canva, and what I do is I create all my visuals here. So if you look here, I have like these visuals here, like this one. Couch exercise for lazy people, right? Chair exercises to burn fat, right? I give information to people. And here I create my content and I share it on my social media, right? I shared it in my Facebook group. That's all you got to do, right? So keep that in mind. All right, so now we're gonna go to tip number 3. Tip number 3 for how to do high ticket affiliate marketing is you want to promote your affiliate offer, right? So remember this. The first step was this. So the first step was what you do is you choose a high quality product, right? After you choose a high quality product, you build an audience, right? And then after that, we go here. Tip number 3, you promote your affiliate offer to your audience, right? And look at here. You can promote affiliate products by creating review videos on YouTube. You can also do email marketing, right? You can get people's emails and then you can send them emails to let them know about your affiliate products. You can also do blogging. I've already mentioned that. You can create Facebook posts. I've already showed you how to do that. You can even do webinars, right? So this is how you can promote affiliate products, right? Okay, so let's recap quickly, right? 3 tips on how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So step number 1 is you want to choose a high quality and high ticket product. Step number 2, you want to build an audience. And step number 3, you want to promote your affiliate offer to your audience. That's all you got to do to make $1,000 per sale with high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this amazing training. And if you want to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing and how to start a profitable online business from home, then I have an amazing free report that I want to give to you. All you need to do is click the link down below to get free instant access to your free report. Also, if you like this training, then make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.